Hello, and today I am making ginger cupcakes. This is a fairly basic sponge mix to start off with, so I'm starting with 2 eggs. Having weighed the eggs, I'm using the same amount of self-raising flour, caster sugar, soft baking margarine, obviously the 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of baking powder, just to help it give that little bit of rise. That's very basic sponge mix to start off with. I'm then putting in a teaspoonful of ginger, and I've got some ginger in syrup, so I'm putting in some glacé ginger as well into the cake mix. That all gets combined together and mixed. It's going to go into a preheated oven. The oven has been preheated to 160 degrees C fan, so it's made 12 cupcakes, so the mixture's going into 12 cases, and it was in the oven for around about 15 minutes. But obviously if you tap the top of a cake, you'll feel it bounce back, so you'll know roughly where you're doing, how you're doing for time. They should just bounce back if you tap the top. The icing is the ginger syrup and icing sugar mixed together, and I've experimented a bit with the quantities. You sort of mix it till it looks right, bearing in mind that a small amount of liquid seems to manage to mix together with quite a bit of icing sugar. And then I have just placed a few bits of glacé ginger on top to finish so that they look nice. Thank you for watching and enjoy.